Derek, he's so supportive. He's really just quite a spectacular guy, and I think any girl would be lucky to have him. I don't think that Derek and I didn't work because of my sexuality. I think that would be an untrue way to explain why we never materialized as a couple. We're always in different places in our lives, and our interests were always a little bit different, and it didn't work, but we were never not close, and we were always so respectful and supportive. So it was just, there was never any kind of awkwardness about it. I think Derek understanding my relationship with Nick makes us close because it just allows him to really know everything about me. You know, as it would with anybody that I was close to in my life. I mean, I think my parents know me better now because they understand my relationship with Nicole. So I don't know if it's exclusive to him, but I do think that introducing the two of them has brought us closer because he has a lot more visibility into my life, and you know, he knows who I love. In the same way, you know, when he meets the girl of his dreams, I want to get to know her because it'll allow me to be closer to him, absolutely. But I think that's probably standard for any friendship. But I love that the two of them get along so well. I mean, it's amazing. What could you ask? What more could you ask for to have your, you know, your best guy friend and your partner love each other? I mean, the three of us can sit on the couch and hang out in sweats and watch TV, and we can go out for dinner. We can hopefully travel. I mean, there's just so much we can do when everybody gets along. It's a really good situation.